Here are 3 simple tips to help you make the most out of your consultations with attorneys. Tip number 1. Prepare a list of questions that you have for that attorney ahead of time so that you can potentially send that list to the lawyer before your meeting so that he can take a look and be better prepared to address those questions during the meeting, and also so that you're able to cover everything you want during that consultation and not to forget something that you would have to follow up on later. Tip number 2. Try to understand the law that applies to your issue or your case during that consultation. This means that you should not be afraid to ask why. When you talk to an attorney, ask him, why do I have a case? Why don't I have a case? What are the strengths and weaknesses of my potential case and why? Should I file a lawsuit or should I not? Should I do it sooner or should I do it later? Should I wait for some other event to take place? Should I settle or should I continue fighting my case? And why? Most laws, most issues that you would be dealing with are not rocket science. They're based on fairness and common sense and the balancing of interests. The moment that you understand not only what you should be doing legally, but also why, it will really help you make the right decision and also to be more satisfied with your decision instead of wondering, well, I was told by that attorney to do that, but I'm not so sure why they said it, and now I'm confused, and I wonder if I did the right thing, and so on and so forth. The question why is critical, and a good attorney will be able to and will be happy to not only tell you what to do, but exactly why he believes that's the right course of action. And tip number 3. In order to get the best and the most complete advice for your legal issue, be honest and open with the attorney that you're consulting and share with him not only the facts that support your side of the story, but also things that create potential challenges. For instance, if you've been fired 3 days asking for a disability accommodation and you believe you have a strong retaliation claim, but you also have been written up for some issues 2 or 3 times during the last month before your termination, share that. Do not hide that fact from the attorney during that consultation. Sooner or later, it will have to come out, so you might as well share it sooner than later. Or let's say if you suffered a back injury in a car accident, but you have a prior history of back pain and treatment for your back pain over the past, 5 or 10 years. Again, share both of these facts. No case is perfect. No situation is perfect. There are always strengths and weaknesses to every case, and there are also pros and cons to making any decision. Your goal is not to have a perfect situation or a perfect case, but to make the best decision under the circumstances and to make the most out of the situation that you're facing. Thank you.